UX and UI, what are these acronyms and what does it mean in development? So stands for user experience and UI stands for user interface. And these are terms that front-end developers use for how a website will interact with the customer will interact with the website. And it's really important to have good user interface and good user experience. So a UX designer and a UI designer will work together with the front-end developer to create the layout. So the UX designer will create the layout of how things are supposed to happen, and the front-end developer will program the code, typically JavaScript, CSS, and HTML on the front end of the website to make interactions happen. So a customer clicks on a button, there's a little animation that happens and sends them to a form, sends them to a different page, it has a pop-up window. Those are all user experiences and ways that your website actually shows the customer what they're supposed to do or what they're supposed to do next. So good websites with UX are ones that are very, very interactive. They guide the user through it, they tell a story, and the user feels like they're part of an interaction and an experience, and they enjoy it. So that's what we try to focus on. As a good web developer, you want to have really good UX, good UI, and it's practice. There's a lot of A/B testing. A/B testing is where you put up one design, you put up another, and you see which one customers like better, and then you go with the one that the customers like better. You can tell by traffic, by conversions. There's different ways you can look at a web page to see how successful it is. A lot of that has to do with using Google Analytics to check which page has become more successful by the conversions and the actions that we want the customer to do. So is your website having really good UX and UI? If not, get a hold of me. I would love to help fix it. Thank you. Joe Phil with SkyPoint Studios.